guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another 4 summer outfits. You know the drill. I like to just kind of chit chat and get dressed and put together some outfits. So I pulled some pieces that one outfit I've worn recently, one outfit I just haven't worn this piece in a while, and then the other one I'm like, that's gonna be cute and I want to wear it for the rest of the day. So that's kind of how we go. I'm going to talk you through how I'm building it, what I'm pairing together, why I paired it, so on and so forth. So let's do it. Let's start with look number 1. I'll also have all of the items that I mention and show either in the description box or on the YouTube shop button, whichever way is easiest, but let's do it. So the first outfit is an actual outfit that I wore, I think last Friday. We went to, it's called Mexican Sugar, over in the shops of Legacy, not Legacy West, the shops of Legacy, which it wasn't bad, but this is what I wore nonetheless. I've been loving white on white, so you're gonna see this come true in this outfit. So first things first, oops. These have been my favorite short purchase of this year. I only bought 2 new pairs of shorts this year, like denim shorts. I think even regular shorts, to be honest with you. I just didn't buy a bunch, but these from Zara I love. I washed them for the first time because I got a stain on them, so hopefully they still fit the exact same way, and they do. I love that these offer a longer length, so even though they're a denim short, they're a little bit elevated still because they're a longer length. And I love doing a little monochromatic look to kind of just, I don't know, I think it looks really good. So let's put on our little white tee. I got this shirt when I went to Stonebriar Mall. It's from Uniqlo, and it is such a good, thick little white tee. This is in a size large. So this one's a new one. I haven't worn this one yet. The other, I bought 2 of them. But it's just such a good, it's still loose, but it's a really nicely structured white tee. So I went with a full tuck. And I would say these shorts are kind of, they're high rise, but more of like a mid rise, I would say, because it comes to like just below my belly button. Yeah, I would say mid rise. So I did full tuck around, all in white. And then for accessories, I went pretty neutral. So I did my little suede belt from Abercrombie, which I need to order some more belts. You know who's really doing like great fall accessories already is H&M, and I need to check it out. Well, I already have checked it out. I've just been building my cart. But you know what? I kick myself every time I do that because I build my cart and then I go back like 3 days later and everything is sold out. And it's just like, why do they move so fast? Okay, anyway, little belt. I wear this thing so much. Abercrombie has really good belts as well. And then to tie in the gold and tan in the belt, I put on my little Zara sandals because of course I did. They're my favorite. And I actually wore this necklace, which I'm not a necklace girl, but I'm trying to be a necklace girl. And I love this one. I picked this up from Amazon. It's a like very similar to the Heaven Mayhem one. It's really cute. It did pull my hair out, which kind of was annoying, but it was cute. And I think the gold in the necklace ties in the gold with the shoes, and it was perfect. And then for my bag, I actually have been living in this bag. It's pretty much the only bag I bring. It's this little Zara woven one. I like that it's woven, but I like that it's green, so I feel like I can carry it a little into like fall transition. And then my brown sunnies. Wearing all white to a Mexican restaurant was dangerous, which I did in fact get a stain on my shorts, and I don't know what it's from, but and it didn't come out entirely, so it is what it is. But I just loved this. I think it's polished because all the pieces are like intentionally not like skin tight. Like if imagine this entire outfit with like a skin tight top and a skin tight short shorts, like it just wouldn't look as good as this looks, where it's a little like a little oversized. I just feel like it elevates it entirely to a new level, and I love this outfit. I loved this outfit when I wore it, and it's going to be a basic staple. And I think the necklace was just a fun pop to a very basic outfit. It's all about the accessories with this one, and I love it. So let's move on to the second outfit, which is going to be a colorful one. If you watched my recent Quince haul, and you saw I picked up these satin pants in yellow, and they just came out with one in like a wine burgundy color, which I need for the fall because that color with like an oatmeal cream sweater that I have from there as well, gonna be so good. I need to order that like stat. Okay, we're gonna keep this top on though and just throw on my yellow pants, and then we will, did I say satin? I mean silk. And then we will accessorize as well. It's gonna be a lot of these outfits are all about the accessories. Yeah, this necklace, I love it, but it yanked the heck out of my hair. I probably need to like tighten one of the like clasps back here. I don't know, it didn't do it this time, thank heavens. Okay, so let's pop on our little silk pants. Y'all, I like randomly restarted watching The Real Housewives of Atlanta, which in my opinion is like one of the best. Nene freaking makes it. She's such a ham, and so is Kim. Like they're just, it's so good. But really truly the first season of any Housewives is the best because it's when they were like tallying how much things cost, and like they had no problem talking about like outrageous money, and now they're all like wanted by the IRS because of how much tax evasion they did and whatnot. But it is absolutely wild. I'm on like season 3 or 4 now, but the first 1 to 2 seasons are just everything. Don't be tardy for the party. And also, this is how I know I'm very much like a, I don't really care, like I care, but I don't really care. I have never looked up who Big Papa actually is, and I feel as though it's common knowledge. Like it's gotta be somewhere who Big Papa is. If you watch the show, you'll know. But like I've never cared to look, not even once. Like I was cleaning my pool the other day and I was like, how unbothered are you to not even, like this is like such a pivotal part of that show and I've never once looked it up. I just in my brain was like, we're not meant to know who he is, so we just don't know who he is. I don't know. Anyway, are these pants not like everything? I was getting my hair done yesterday, and as my hairdresser was complimenting me on my shoes, I wore my new Asics with the yellow, and she's like, oh, it's my favorite color. And I'm like, girl, me too. And we both just went on and on about how like yellow is just such a happy color. You can't look at it and not be happy. It's sunshine, it's smiley faces, it's everything. Okay, next, we're gonna go with like fun, chunky jewelry since I think this outfit is really just simple and plain. I did this combination in my Pinterest video that I did, which was my last video, I think. And I absolutely loved it. So we're gonna do it again. My little charm necklace that I handmade, and then this little chunky pearl. I don't know, something about it, it's just like very fun and very summery. And for some reason, I really liked the combination of the two. I want a little ham sandwich with my freckles today, but I've also been really liking to keep the clasp towards the front. I don't know why, mostly just, it's kind of how it falls anyways. And then we're gonna continue the colorful, and we're gonna go with my little Adidas, Jesus, Spezial handballs. And for the sake, I'm not putting socks on, and I don't care. Every freaking video I get, someone's like, do you even wear socks? Yeah, what does it matter to you, first of all? Second of all, sometimes I do. And most of the time, with these sneakers, I'm not gonna lie, I don't. Because I don't know, I can't be bothered. Okay. Ooh, this is just a bright, summery, fun outfit. Gotta have the glasses to just kind of like funkify it even more. I don't know, and a big tote. I'm kind of here for it. It's so bright and colorful, but it's really just basic and cute. And it's actually so comfortable. These feel like pajama pants. So good. Let's move on to look number 3. We're gonna kind of go a little fall transition, you're gonna see, but also like still warmish weather. This is a piece, this Quince little sweater vest I found. I need to organize my closets again because now that everything's put away, I know like how I want things to be, like now that I've lived like it, you know what I mean? Like when you're moving, you kind of like move everything in to start with, and then you kind of figure out, oh, that doesn't work, or that works, or whatever it is, but you're just trying to like unpack boxes. So yeah, I kind of want to switch some things up around again. Switch some things up around again. Switch some things up. Switch some things around. Words, what the frick is wrong with me today? Just could use a decent little washing machine. Can you wash suede? Probably not. Okay. I I don't know why I just asked that question. Okay, so let's put on this little, this is gonna be the star. So I haven't worn this in a minute, and it is this little quince sweater vest. I think paired with white, but with darker accessories will look really cute for like fall transition. So let's also put on these little Liz Claiborne pants that are some of my favorite little white chino type things that I thrifted a while ago, which I passed the most epic Goodwill, and it was packed, and it was right across from this other place too. Where was I, and why was I there? I was over at a Target over there, and then I was leaving that Target, I think, no, over by Academy Sports, over by Stonebriar Mall. That Goodwill, it's like the Goodwill of Frisco, looks incredible. I need to check it out. It just so happens I have some toys that I need to donate from Arlo, so we're gonna make a stop there probably next week. So let's pop these on. These are like kind of wide in the hips, but they're like literally perfection. They're so comfortable. I don't know why I don't wear these more often because they're so good. Oh, I think I remembered this last time too that I had a stain on it. Apparently I wear these things around and I don't realize unless I'm in the camera that I stained them. Jimmy's Food Store. So good. Okay. Let's put on the little gray sweater. Okay, so hopefully this like is a vibe because it's in my brain, but I don't know how it's gonna actually come together. I'm thinking of like not fully buttoning all. This looks cute already. Ooh, okay, I love when I do that. Okay, I love when I impress myself. And then we're gonna go with these little sling back pointed toes, which are coming back with a vengeance this year. I'm so excited. These little sling back pointed toe flats. They're so cute, so elevated. I want to get a couple more pair. I want a green crocodile like print one. They have some at H&M, I think. Or did I imagine that? I don't know, but I'm here for it. I think it's so cute. Do you see the vibe? See where I'm going? So cute, right? I'm gonna go with a corduroy bag. This Merit bag gets used way too much. It's literally a makeup bag, but it is perfection. Okay. This is so good. You guys, this is so cute. I love it. It's a little elevated. These pants, everything. I love this so much. I even feel like I could use a necklace, but I'm kind of just loving the fact that my décolleté is actually tan because I'm such a high-waisted or high-necked type of girl that like, this is like the first summer that my neck has seen any sort of color, which I'm doing that sparingly because I don't want to, you know, age it too much. It's very delicate, but I love this outfit. I think it is the perfect like fall transition, end of summer type of look. It is so cute. What do we think? Are we a fan of these little pointed toe flats? These are like honestly my favorite shoe. They're so cute. Adorable. Okay. That was look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th look, which is the look I will be wearing for the rest of the day. So let's pop it on. We're going really basic. I'm gonna put on my Uniqlo JW Anderson jeans, which they released again. I keep meaning to tell you this, but I haven't been wearing my jeans because, hello, it's summer, but I'm gonna be in the house most of the rest of the day. So I'm like, it's fine, and I'm gonna wear a light top with it. But they just, when I went to Uniqlo to get that top, well, to just peruse, they brought them back. These are my favorite jeans in the entire world for like a baggy sort of loose but great fitting jean. Like I contemplate buying more. These truly fit like I feel like a Levi's, vintage Levi's would. These are the lightest wash. I also own the medium and, ooh, excuse me, and the rings. God, that's hiccups. Whew. Okay, now I want to change into this little quince like shell linen top. This truly is like one of my favorite plants that I've gotten in a long time. It's so good. So cute. Okay, so we're going very big, very baggy, very just like loose and cute with it. So button my top. I have this in white and in yellow. These are so cute, and I feel like just a very basic, good, kind of an elevated tank top. You know what I mean? Okay, so I just recently got this belt also from Quince, and I was like, I got it when I went to Dallas yesterday because thankfully my nice neighbors put it in the house because this was delivered. And I like heard someone, okay, first of all, this was delivered because it was pre-order like forever ago. And it was, I ordered this probably like 4 months ago and it was pre-order, which I have never experienced that with Quince, but whatever, it got kept, it like didn't say it was gonna ship out until May or like whatever. It shipped the day, like 2 days after we left. So whatever, they just put it in my house and it's been there forever. But I heard someone on TikTok say that Quince uses goat leather and it smells so bad. And I'm like, I have so much leather from Quince and I don't think it smells like goat at all, but I also like goats. Oh, I just realized this is gold. We're gonna try it and see if it works. Okay, but is this not the most beautiful dark like chocolate brown belt? Hopefully this is the right size. I don't even know what I ordered. It was a long time ago. I don't think I've ever worn these pants with a belt either. No, this is perfect. Cute. Okay, now I was wanting to wear this necklace, but this necklace is silver, so we're just gonna have to see how it comes together. I don't know if it's giving too like mixy matchy, but I don't think it is because I have like gold jewelry, silver watch, so I feel like it still kind of works. Okay, let's finish off with chocolate accessories. Y'all know I love these little flats. I wear them all the time from H&M. Again, that's why I kind of feel like this outfit is leaning more fall transition because of the dark chocolate accessories, which are perfect. And then my other leather piece from Quince, which again just does not smell like goat to me. I don't know what that dude was talking about. But I love these, like match perfectly the shoes and the bag. Not like perfectly, but pretty perfectly. And the belt. Okay, I think I'm gonna go hair up because I'm an overstimulated queen. I do actually have to run an errand. I need to go and see if I like any other Rangers. I need to figure out my Rangers outfit for tomorrow. Okay, anyway. Settings. What do we think? This necklace just gives me, every time I wear it, cool art teacher. Anyway, I love this. I think this is adorable. This also has a full string if you want, but I like it as a clutch personally. So yeah, this was look number 4. What do we think? What was our favorite outfit? I love all of them. I think I really nailed all of them today. I don't know what it is, but I think I picked a great round. So, and I never know until I actually put them on because it's all just in this noggin, and sometimes this noggin works and sometimes it really lets me down. But today I feel like it pulled through and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I'll have all the details linked down below, but sometimes it's fun to just play dress up. So if you haven't in a while, do it. It's fun. Put on a show. If I wasn't recording right now, Real Housewives of Atlanta would be on and I'd be hanging out. So I love you guys so much. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. And as always, I'd like to know what your favorite outfit was. So let me know. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.